industry, it tends to deliver performance, sustainability, and the production capacities needed for Europe's low-carbon future.
In the flat glass industry, performance means providing Europe with energy savings products. Products that save more energy over the life cycle than the energy needed to produce and dismantle them. In Europe, the total CO2 generated by an efficient double glazing unit throughout its life cycle is offset after 3 to 10 months in use. It means that during its 30 years lifetime, an energy-efficient double glazing saves between 30 to 120 times its embodied CO2. These energy savings are tremendous, but even more CO2 emissions can be avoided by using triple glazing. Flat glass products belong to our daily environment, in buildings and cars such as facade, windows, mirrors and windscreens. That is why it is of primary importance that our products meet the highest performance in terms of safety, comfort, technology and style. These will always remain primary markers of performance in our industry. To achieve this, our industry already spends hundreds of millions of euros in research and development each year to develop new products as well as new functionalities to minimize the environmental impacts of glass manufacturing. We have to maintain our efforts to bring useful, innovative technologies to the European market.
The glass industry takes very seriously its obligation regarding the environment. Recently, almost all float glass in Europe has been applying an environmental management system based on the ISO 14001 or EMAS. All the environmental impact coming from the production of float glass, air pollution, water pollution and waste were drastically reduced, so that we can say today that besides CO2 emissions, no other very important environmental impact is due to the production of float glass. Glass is a product that can be endlessly recycled. Today, the glass industry has concentrated on the use of recycled glass for the production of new glass. The production of new glass incorporates these days between 20 and 30% of recycled glass. To go further than that, the glass industry needs to get more cullet coming from the construction and demolition waste. However, today most of the glass coming from the demolition of building is not recycled but end up in landfill. And the glass industry is really willing to increase the rate of recycling on this glass and is ready to work with the authorities and the European Commission to make sure that all the glass coming from building at the end of their life or during refurbishment will be recycled to produce either new windows or other type of glass. Glass can contribute to the comfort and health of the occupants of the building by providing free daylight and connection to the outside world. In conclusion, we can say that glass is essential to sustainable building.
Glass for Europe member companies will prioritise the supply of glass products made in Europe to serve EU markets. We will also make these products in the most energy efficient manner we can. After all, it is sound business sense to do so. We've already made huge strides in improving manufacturing efficiencies. Indeed, between 1970 and 2000, our industry more than halved the amount of energy needed to produce a unit of glass. By applying best available techniques wherever possible, we will strive hard to find the further 5 to 10% improvement we believe is possible by 2030. The flat glass industry is committed to reducing CO2 emissions from its operations, but it needs to remain competitive. For these reasons, CO2 emission reduction objectives must reflect industry's technological ability to improve efficiency and must ensure that European-based industries are not put at a competitive disadvantage.
We hope that this vision and our challenge can be embraced by authorities. By designing a supportive regulatory framework, decision makers can help us realise these contributions, but also ensure that the flat glass industry remains a strong solution-minded industrial actor